I'd like to show you some Thermasorb absorbent pads, and we're going to start with what they call a tray pad. This is just a little pad that's got a 36mm absorbency total. Comes in threes like that, is easily torn apart, and it's put at the bottom of a tray with chicken or meat or whatever on top, and it absorbs the drip, the blood, the liquid from that meat and holds it. And just to quickly demonstrate how it works, we'll put it in some water and it will quite quickly absorb its full load of water, and that water will be turned to a gel inside it, which we'll have a quick look at in a minute, and from there it can't get out. Because it can't get out, there's less free water available for bacteria, so we reduce spoilage to a degree. Okay, it's not full, but that'll give you an idea of just how quickly it absorbs. See that it's in there, nothing comes out. It's all stuck in there and the bacteria can't get at it. And if we open it up, we can see that inside it's formed a gel. And those gel particles are too big to come out of the fabric. Okay, they're quite safe to play with or to eat, they can't do any harm. But what they do is protect the food to a very large extent. So that's your small pads for use in trays. Let's go to our medium pads. Our medium pads are designed for use in polystyrene boxes, cardboard boxes, anything that's holding quite a chunk of seafood, meat, live shellfish, live crayfish, anything like that where you've got some leakage and you want to absorb it. These are built in 2 cells, and their absorbency again is very high. These pads will take up to over a litre of water, a litre of fresh water. Now the only thing with a gel-based pad is that the amount of absorption is affected by the salt content of your liquid. So with this in seawater, it's one of the only gel pads in the world that will actually absorb seawater and will absorb about 230 mils, which is a very useful amount, especially if you're shipping a product like shellfish. So again, we'll pop that in there, chuck it in water, just so that you can see how it works best. Also, Thermasorb make a fantastic container blanket or shipping blanket, which can be fitted into the top of a container to catch container rain. You would normally use 4 of them. They're all ready to be tied up in the top of the container, and you can protect a lot of product from damage from water and shipping containers that move through the tropics, so from the northern to southern hemispheres. The shipping containers are often used with products like peanuts, which once they get damp you can get mould growth, personal effects, and anything that's likely to rust. It's a good product to have on board, basically for anything crossing the equator that moisture matters. So now you'll be able to see that we're getting some absorption in our pad already, and within a few more minutes that pad will be completely full. I don't know how clearly you can see it, but these pads really starting to swell now and suck up a lot of water. And you can imagine that sitting in a package of food or blood, it's able to soak up a tremendous amount very, very fast. And the best part, as with all gel-based pads, is that that liquid is locked away and it's not available for use. So this is nearly full now, and you can see that it's well and truly trapped in there and nothing's coming out. Thermasorb absorbent pads will fit most packaging situations.